Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get the red filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, here in trending section, just slide up. Okay, until you see this image, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, so this is the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then go to discover and here search for red filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you'll be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see try this effect. Just tap there to try this effect. Likewise, okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then let me go back first. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I will give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there and you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this red filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.